मडगाव पालिका बायस रावून कामां करता असो आरोप आप पक्षान केला। आपान परवानगी घेवन लायिल्ले प्रचाराचे बॅनर विरोधी पक्षान काडून उडयल्यात अशें आप पक्षाच्या अधिकाऱ्यांनी सांगल्यात। RDX गोहातीर मडगावच्यान सोमेश देसाई।
The Margao Municipality is absolutely doing a biased job and supporting Vijay Sardesai completely in their actions and in trying to undermine our campaign. We had an issue earlier where they removed all our banners, and today, in spite of us having the paperwork and the licenses, they have removed all our electric pole banners which we had put up. We have obtained the permission from the electricity department with the pole numbers. We have paid all the dues and we have sent the file to the Margao Municipality for approval. The approval after 20 days has still not come. When we sent them a letter requesting them as to what is the reason that they are not giving us approval, we got no answer from them at all. Today morning, the Margao municipal workers have dismantled nearly 45 of our banners which we had fixed on the electric poles. We strongly condemn this action and we'd like to highlight that this is a direct result of Mr. Vijay Sardesai, the local MLA, interfering in the affairs of the Margao municipality, and we would like to request Babita and her entire team to be fair and to be absolutely doing work based on merits. We have all the paperwork, we have everything, and yet they have only taken out the AAP banners on the electric poles. All the other companies who have got banners there and who have got no licenses, they have not touched. So this has to be stopped. They cannot be biased like this. We cannot run an election with the whole Margao municipality fighting against us. It should be a free and fair election. Everybody should be allowed to advertise. So we'd like to strongly condemn this action and we'd like the municipality to take action on whoever has passed this order, because till date we have not received anything in writing from the municipality, neither have we received what is the reason that they have denied us permission for 122 poles. We have paid for 122 poles. We have a plan which we have submitted for those poles with their pole numbers.